Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy chignon bun on thick long hair. To start, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Then I'm going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear. And then just repeat the same section on the opposite side. Next, bring these two sections to the back of the head and secure them into a ponytail. Divide the remaining hair in half, and then we're simply going to pop each half into another ponytail at the nape of the neck. Then we're going to add another clear elastic band about halfway down the ponytail on each side. And we're going to make a hole with our fingers between those two elastic bands, pop a couple of fingers through, grab the ends and pull them all the way through that hole to create a twist. Then repeat on the opposite side, so make your hole, pop a couple of fingers through and pull the ends through. Add some texture spray to those twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the edges on both sides to create more volume. Pop your fingers behind that top section on the right hand side, grab that left hand ponytail, pass it to your fingers and pull the ends all the way through. Then just secure the top of it to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Then we're going to pop our fingers through that section on the left hand side. Take the right hand ponytail, pass it to your fingers and pull the ends through. Again, secure with a few bobby pins. Now gather up those tail ends of hair at the bottom of the bun and secure them together with an elastic band. On the last turn, only pull it part way through to create a loop. And then we're just going to roll this loop up underneath the bun and again secure with a couple of pins. Curl all the hair away from the face at the front. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.